We are doing a major purge on toys today.
Part 2. The link for part 1 is in the description box below.
Okay, this one won. It won. Ay, ay, ay. Maybe with less stuff she'll take better care of it. Yeah, oh, you can't do it. Put it in the hall, right here. Can't win them all, can ya? Okay, off to this side. Need to remove this child because she does love to touch everything. We have a few baby toys here which we're keeping. Keeping all of this, I just want to do something different with it. Probably move that stuff. I want to get rid of stuff that's in these drawers. And I actually want to get rid of this Malm. So I'll probably be taking all of the clothes out of here and putting them into my drawers that are empty in my bedroom.
How am I supposed to do this when she loves everything?
Oh my goodness gracious. There's nothing in here to get rid of. I don't want to get rid of any of this. These are our games. These are our games. I do, however, want to get rid of this dresser, so I'm going to take everything out. Homeschool stuff, sight words, occupational therapy stuff, where they thread. That was from Bunty, I believe. Yep. I'm gonna get rid of this. Play with this outside. Okay, it's empty. Now I have to deal with it. No. This is like miscellaneous kind of sentimental stuff, kind of. It's the hardest stuff. These are just art books. This is like my pictures that I painted. It's not so good. Do you know who that is? This is Moses' mother from that one, maybe Prince of Egypt. I like it. I got this one. I'm not an artiste. I got this one, oh, that way, and this one. I really do like that one though. I think I did a good job on that. Now I'm not an artist, so. So do I keep that? Yeah. These are my degrees, my college degrees. This is how it came wrapped. Leather bound. Bachelors. I have 2 bachelors and 1 associate's. So yeah, obviously I'm keeping that. Yoo-hoo. Gathered with garbage right now. This is my husband's old squadron, so I'm keeping that. I have a whole thing of manuals. I'll have to go through that. Sentimental pictures. This is just paper wrap, so I'm not going to get rid of it, but I'm going to put it out so I can use easily. The best book you could ever read for your health. Don't need, nor do I want it. English to Hebrew dictionary. Big. Why is this in a box? This was a gift to Zeb in 2008. I like this. Should do it instead of being in a box. This is a sketch pad. Should be using this. What you got, Hadar? Lots of paper that we can use for homeschool, so I'll just get it out and use it up. Another sketchbook for drawing. This was Zeb's. This is probably 15 years old. It doesn't have a year on it, but it's just blank paper. All of these are blank paper we could be using. Here is my other degree. Notice I turned it around because I don't want you to know where I went to school. Look at the paper. It's been tattered. This is my associates. So I cleaned out an entire box of nothing but paper. And this is my husband's squadron now, and it's just a notebook to use to take notes. I'll probably just let him have that so he can take his notes for work, because they do have to write stuff down. So another box empty. This just broke. Okay. It's IKEA. What you gonna do? Now I have to clean this up.
You're fixing to see the face of defeat because this is where I want to give up.
All right, so this cabinet is empty from here, but it's completely full of this stuff. So we're going to put another shelf like this, about right there, where Raphael can reach his stuff, his little games, but Abigail cannot. Easy access for him, and we're getting rid of this. And then we'll have some blocks underneath of here so that Abigail can play.
For my first cat, I found it. It was in a bucket and I couldn't find it.
This all?
Yeah.
I need a pen.
Don't stop. 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 Don't.
All right, so here is this. This is his car. I want to keep all the pieces too. He takes it apart. Rocks that are pretty and sensory. All of the games that we have in here, we have some in the living room as well. These are puzzles for skill. Dominoes. We got checkers, chess, card games like Uno, regular cards, and tangos. We have 2 big sets of these. His puzzles. He loves puzzles. But I didn't know how to set this one, so I'll just make that like a display because it keeps popping out. And we've got all the Play-Doh stuff up here that he'll have to ask before he gets down. And we have the sand stuff. And then we have this car set that is all together in this box. Oh, this is Angry Birds. He likes playing with this. It's like a, it came from McDonald's, but he's got several of them. He likes playing with it. Alright, this is some stuff I gotta take out for right now. This is stuff we are going to use for homeschool. Paper, drawing paper. I'm gonna use this paper up. Come on. Come on! Then I gotta go through this. I'm gonna put this in the kitchen or in the living room so we can play with it for occupational therapy. Okay, move the table over here in the corner, underneath the shelves. We've got cars here. She's lining them up. She loves cars. Probably as much as her brother does. I'm gonna put some books right here. This is gonna be her table. Uh-oh, who broke that? Okay, so far I like this little corner. This is all the stuff that needs to be put away.
3, 2, 1.
This stuff I'm going to severely clean out right now. It is not winter time anymore, so I'm gonna wash these and store them. These are a bag of shoes that I have to go through for Abigail to see if she can wear any of these. These are now passed down to Abigail, and we do use backpacks when we go out, and Abigail and Raphael both have a hat for summer, and this is Raphael's backpack for school and his backpack for lunch. So that's his stuff, that's her stuff. Yeah, backpack. She has another yellow or pink backpack, but it's in her toy box, so she uses that. These are the real ones. The other one's just for play that she wears like everywhere.
Stay tuned for the final reveal of a boy and girl's shared room tour with all their toys. I'm gonna go room by room and declutter and clean, and you can expect a cleaning video once a week from me.
Stop.
Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you were here. Have a great day.